access to market controls the entire value chain. Access to market determines how much money we need for the agricultural production, quality of products, and the seeds that we're going to use. It determines the numbers of labor that we need in the farm. It determines the scale of production. Access to market is everything. So if I had known this basic thing that, oh, the shorter my business cycle, the more money I make because I'm able to turn over at a short period of time, and then I'm able to make more money, right? While the longer the business cycle, the less money I make. I would have been able to know that with these little resources that I had at the beginning of my career, I want to use these resources to optimal level. So I will start from the access to market component by going to farms, buying their product, taking it to the market and selling it. And then when I build enough revenue or capital base from that, I am simply going to backwardly integrate into owning the farm to have a cheaper cost supplied to the market directly from my end and make more profit or more margin at that end. I wish I knew this before I started agriculture.